G'day, Year 7. How are we going? We're going to today do a little bit more of the building equations that we started last lesson. So last lesson, what we did is we were told the operation that we're doing to both sides, and we had to do that to both sides. So if we're adding 3, we had to make sure that we were doing that to both sides evenly. And then perhaps we then had to then do another operation. We had to times it by 2 or something like that. What we're doing today is instead, you've got to work out what operation has been done in between the 2 lines of working that's been shown. Okay, so I'll give you a couple of examples. I'm going to go through these first questions that are on the worksheet to help you out so that you can complete the rest of it. And we'll see how we go. Okay, so what we need to work out is what operation has been done to both the left and the right side, okay, in this particular question. So we can see we've got a plus 10 on the left, which becomes a plus 5. And then we've got 27, which becomes 22. Okay, so in both cases, we've taken away 5. So we can write in take away 5 in the gap there. Let me just write those in there just like that. Okay. So there we have it, minus 5 both sides. And now for this one here, we've gone from 3b minus 14 and then to 3b, and then we've gone from 6 to 20. Okay, so in both cases, we've added 14 to both sides. Okay, and then for this last one, we've gone from c minus 5 to 7 times c minus 5. Okay, remember the 7 in front of the brackets means 7 times. There's a hidden times there. And then we've gone from 3.5, negative 3.5 to negative 24.5. Now, I think we're timesing both sides by 7. Let me just check that that works. 3.5 times 7 gets me to minus 24.5. Yes. So now you might think, what couldn't I be taking away 21? Because on the right-hand side, if we just look on the right-hand side, it's actually not clear whether we're timesing or whether we're adding or subtracting. But because the left-hand side has that 7 times there, then we know it has to be times 7 to both sides. Okay, so both sides we're multiplying by 7 to get to the next step. Okay, so that's basically what you have to do for the work today. You'll see here there's some more ones, single step, and then some of them where you've got to work out 2 steps. So you've got to first find the first operation, and then there's another operation that's being done after that. And you've got to guess what that operation is. For these last here, there's a few challenge questions if you want to have a go at those challenge questions. And then remember to click the link in the lesson plans to find the answers so that you can mark your work when you've done it, and then upload it onto Lampada just like you usually would. Okay, thank you very much. So I'll just quickly show you where to do that. So on the Year 7 page, when it loads, you can see here, there's the worksheet, and then there's the link underneath for the answers to mark, and then upload to week 6 work when you've done that. All right, thanks very much, guys. See you later.